Hello, hello, hello. Your site was hacked and you have no idea what to do with that, okay? You see this kind of message, even if you tried Malware, because Malware needs a subscription to be able to clean your website, but you can ensure that something is wrong, okay? I got something pretty new for you. Let me show you right away. I'm gonna move to fspirits.com and I'm gonna move to web services. You're gonna see that we got a new plugin. Okay, you can even search over here, but just a moment. Okay, we got here WP Malware Scanner Pro. Okay, that's the easiest way to unhack and get over with any kind of malware and anything that is hacking, in fact, your website. Okay, your WordPress website. I'm gonna show you really fast because we have a lot of interesting options added here. As you're gonna see, let's start from the first over here. We got the WP malware scanner. Okay, you're gonna see that I have already added a full scan to the website. It's gonna search everything inside your website and your WP folders. And first part, you're gonna see that it's the core files. Here, any kind of core files that it has this eval and all those scripting inside, it's gonna be shown here. It doesn't mean that it's infected. Okay. You're gonna see that I have this warning that suspicious files detected by pattern matching. Review carefully. False positives are possible. You're gonna notice that under this section, let me show you here. You see, we got the plugin files under that. You're gonna see every suspicious plugin file, and under the plugin file, you're gonna see that we got the theme file where you might maybe the plugin is gonna find something. You see here I have the notice that no issue found, no issues found, and over here you're gonna find any other file that it's suspicious. It's the name is suspicious and it looks like it don't belong to the installation of WordPress. But in most cases, there are many PHP files that could be tracking files. Okay. So you can easily investigate and find out what's going on with your website. There is a button over here that you're gonna see that it's the core integrity check. You can check the core files with in real time with the main core files from the WordPress repository, so that the plugin is gonna check and find if there is any core file that was manipulated or changed to your installation. You're gonna see that there is even the deep plugin scan. You have the light deep scan that it's really fast, and you're gonna have a full view of what possibly could be the reason of your site is being hacked. And the targeted intensive scan, that's for difficult situations. If you are desperate and you can't find exactly what's going on with your website and you can recover it, you can move on and do an intensive scan. All those cases, as you understand, you're gonna have access. You must have access to your administrator panel, or in any other case, you're not gonna be able to start and initiate those scans. You're gonna find me easily to to Fever. I'm ready over there to help you in case you need my services. I can jump in and do a full scan to your website using SSH and or maybe CLI for WordPress. It depends what your hosting company provides you, what tools provides you to be able to leverage and unhack your website. Trust me, one way or the other, even with an FTP, it's gonna take me longer for me, but I'm gonna be able to unhack and save your website. You have the option using this plugin to fix the permissions to your folders, because many of the plugins they just lock themselves and not they're not being able to unlock them and delete them from your system. So with this fix file permission, it's gonna fix the file permission of all your files in your installation. And you have even the reset authentication salts in case you change your password. You found another administrator that it's not your administrator, and you know nothing about the other guy that connected to your website. You're able to delete the uh, this user and change your password just to be sure that everything is safe, and then reset your authentication salts, and on that way you're gonna disconnect anyone that shouldn't be there to your WordPress installation. You can block PHP execution to uploads. That's very important to safeguard your WordPress installation, because there are many hacking situations that I dealt that PHP files were inserted inside your uploads, and they were in fact a backdoor to the whole system and to your WordPress panel. So you can buy this plugin and you can use forever, and for 1 year you can easily come back again here and download any new version you're gonna check and find to your panel. And trust me, it's gonna be the best investment you're gonna do in case you are in such fights with hacking and unhacking situations. Okay, as you can see, there is even an the ability to send an automatic to create an automatic scan and get an update, a daily update for what looks suspicious to your website and what's not. And you can easily exclude plugins not to be scanned and not to have a lot of warning triggers. But in any case, it's good to have just a warning and be sure that everything is working fine with your website. More options are going to be added, trust me, and you're going to love this plugin. And over here down, you're going to see that there was a new addition, and that was because checking sites with Malware and WordPress, I noticed that a lot of problems come from injections to the database. So there is a new tool added to this plugin. There is an option that you can manually scan your database, not automatically, because you know that it's the automatic situation is always not safe, and all of you that you're working on development and on trying to unhack a website, it's not the right situation to do an automatic cleaning, an automatic scan, because you can have a lot of other troubles. So running a database scan, it just scans the database, finds the uh, uh, all those scripts that could be injected into your database. It gives you a view of what's going on. If it's something that you have added, you can just leave it like that. But it's going to give you the option to delete and remove all those illegal injections. Um, that's a unique feature. Trust me, it's going to save you tons of time trying to figure out and find out what's keeping your website hacked, because a lot of code and scripting, it goes through your database, and that can cause a lot of headaches. Using this plugin, you're gonna save time. If you're a developer, you're gonna have uh, a full view of what's going on with your website, and you're gonna be able to track faster and easier the problem and solve it. I'm trying to develop the plugin in a way that it uh, gives you the options, to be able to spot exactly the hacked part of your website, and to avoid spending a lot of time checking and rechecking plugins that they're safe, but they just trigger warnings. I have already checked and arranged the plugin so that it's not gonna trigger warnings about known other plugins that you might have, like WordPress or Malware or any other security plugin that you're trying to resolve the problem, and not to trigger warnings about those plugins. Because they usually have these scripts, and they try to explore and find those scripts in their context, but they're not. Those are not the main problem, and they're not, in fact, infected. Okay. Um, uh, that's all from me. I hope that plugin is gonna be very helpful for you. In any case, you can send me a message to support fspirits.com, and even to support freespirits.gr. You're gonna find me to any of those emails, and you're gonna find me easily through LinkedIn and Fiverr, and I will be more than happy to help you. Um, uh, Remember, if you don't want to buy any plugin about saving and cleaning your website, I always offer my services, and through Fiverr, I have the expertise to fix your website and always back up everything, so that none of your precious files and precious data uh, to remain uh, intact and safe. Okay. Uh, Remember, even if you're using the plugin, this one or any other plugin, trust me, WP Malware Scanner, it's the best out there, and it's gonna become even better. If you use any kind of those plugins, just remember, before you start investigating and do any other action, as I always do, and I always say, backup, backup, backup. Okay, and backup means just to have another copy of your database, another copy of your files, another copy of your whole website, so that you can easily recreate and recover in any case. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned, because I got a lot of very, very interesting stuff to showcase. I showcase even AI tools, and those great plugins that I start creating. You're gonna love it. Trust me. Thank you very much and wish you the best. Bye bye.